Nalla and I, hey Bookums! Nalla and I are sitting here about to open my FabFitFun summer box, and I thought I would share it with y'all. So I did peek into it, but I did not open anything yet. I love the packaging, Taste of Summer. So for anybody who's not familiar with FabFitFun, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box, right? You pay $50 and every season they have a themed box, and they give you well over $50 worth of stuff. Usually it's anywhere from like $150 or more worth of product. And this time around, they done gave a girl over $300 worth of stuff. And I'm fucking excited. Like, I'm not like, I have been having a kind of up and down day, you know. Your girl is being visited by Aunt Flo. Aunt Flo was a hater today and kind of like bled through my maxi dress, so I was feeling away. But when I got home, this beautiful colorful box was here, and I just turned the page. They always give you this nice themed magazine or whatever. And so they're showing you some of the things that come in the boxes, and the boxes are curated. So you don't get everything, but you get like a lot of stuff. And as you can see up here, the value of your box is going to be anywhere from $321.99 to $367.99. Your girl only paid $50. Your girl only paid $50 for the box. Okay. Pier 1 Imports, Foreo, Kula Face Sport SPF. You got a little mini wristlet situation here. You got a little workout thingamajig. You got some body caviar. I kind of hope this is in my box. I kind of hope that's in my box. I also hope that one of these, I already know one of these beach towels is in the thing. Like, I'm so freaking excited that I had to like perch my baby next to me so that she can experience this too. Because this is what I've always imagined a subscription box should be like. My friend Kelly turned me onto this box. Like, she gave me a promo thing where they like invite you to join for like a heavy discount. I think my first starter box was $5 and it was $150 worth of stuff, y'all. This subscription is sickening. I'm just like, it's just great. I haven't thumbed through here, but it looks like they've got some nice like healthy meal ideas, some ideas what to do for the summertime. They've got more information about the Foreo. You know, just more information about the products. And if you shop through FabFitFun, you will get a heavy discount, like a cute discount for members only on these products that you didn't get in your box. So how cool is that? Look, a little makeup case. Oh, this is crazy cute. So anyway, that's the magazine. I'll thumb through that in a little bit. Next up is this cute little promo card here. It's a refer a friend situation. It says pass this card on to your friends. Oh, and your friend will get $10 off their first box. Hey kids, there you go. Go ahead and use that code. Get $10 off your first box, girl. It expires in September. Do that. Do it. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Use it. So anyway, let's get into my box because I'm freaking excited. Boom, got myself a beach towel. Y'all see that, right? But here's what I saw that made me gag. Foreo. One of these is like, I think this is the miniature sport one. I swear, y'all, this is somewhere over $50 right here. This one piece right here. I got the Pier 1 ring dish. I love that. I see a Tarte eyeshadow palette. I haven't bought myself makeup in months. And I've been selling my makeup. So how exciting. Oh my God. Like, what is this right here? Orlando Pita Play, oh, Atmos Shield hair protectant. So I'm guessing this is like, you put this on before you get in the beach water. I might get at a shot. Got the little wristlet that they were showing off. This is way cuter than the one that the little snakeskin one that I have. I think I'll link this to my keychain. This is cute to hold your change, maybe like one card in your ID. This is cute. This straw saves marine life. How cute is that? Okay, well, I'm definitely gonna use it. I don't know how it saves marine life. It says WCS. I don't know what that stands for. I'll have to take a look in the magazine. But holy balls, you guys, this is cray sauce. So, yeah, so this is like protectant for your hair when you go swimming, because salt water can really dry your hair out. This right here is SPF. It looks like it's SPF 50. Classic sunscreen. I'll go ahead and use this on myself. Oh, this is from Aromatherapy Associates. It is a muscle gel, a de-stress muscle gel. Wait a minute, hold up, let me try to one hand open this up. What does it do? Experience the warming. Nalla's excited. Nalla Walla, you excited? You excited, num nums? Me too, girl. Okay. Experience the warming and easing powers of rosemary, black pepper, lavender, and ginger to de-stress your body after spending too long in one position or after too much physical activity. Apply generously and massage into overworked joints and muscles as often as necessary. This is like fancy ass icy hot. Hold up, where my scissors at? I had scissors. Let me try to open this. These scissors are jacked up. Ugh, I'm trying to one hand this while I do this with you guys. If I cut myself, don't laugh at me, y'all. Thick thighs save lives. Here we go. Check me out. Come to mama. You guys, this is crazy. Okay, there we go. Boom. It's very nicely packaged. It smells, oh, I can smell that black pepper, y'all. Woo. Wow. Okay, so me and Solomon are definitely going to try that one right there. Anything underneath here? No, it's just filler. Okay. That's cool. And then, you guys, I think you saw this in the magazine, but I'll take it out anyway. Cute little sunscreen. Boom. So, I would assume that the sport version is definitely more heavy duty and will last through sweat. So that's really good because I sweat really bad in the summertime. Oh my God. I hope that this isn't like, I don't have to cut too much out of this video. I'm not gonna bore you guys too much. There we go. It's cute. And it's from the company Minor History. Minor History? Hello. Minor History. Why am I trying to be all fancy? Trying to hold it shut. Now I was like, this is cute, mommy. I like the color scheme. The coral and the gold is very pretty. This is like, I'm the most excited about this Foreo. I actually have my own. So I might put this in a giveaway, or if my husband's interested in using it, I don't know. But this is really nice. Oh, they wrap this up pretty good, and that makes perfect sense. These come with their own charger, like a USB charger, which is dope. And the charge, you guys, it lasts for months. If you wash your face once a day, it'll last you for like 5 months. If you wash your face twice a day, I'm thinking like every 3 months you'll want to do it. This is like a nice little travel version. I love it. Oh my God. I have the Foreo Mini. The Foreo Mini. The Luna Mini. This is the Fofo. It's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. Wait, I'm sorry. Does that say AAA batteries? I hope this doesn't use batteries. Come on now. Oh, don't do that. Included for 400 uses. Oh, that's kind of whack. It uses AAA batteries. But it's a travel one. So that's exactly what I'm using for, just travel. All right. So this is from Pier 1. This is a ring dish. You know, you catch all. I think that I will just place this on the dresser and it will be nice for just kind of catching keys or whatever. It's really cute. I like the little faux marble action. And this is kind of amazing. The Tarte's Pro Glow. This is also very close to $50 on its own. Very pretty colors. Oh my gosh, so nice. I do not own a single Tarte palette. If I'm thinking, you know, I have never owned a Tarte palette. I've always swatched them in store and I'm like, oh, this is cute, but I never really like went for it. So here's what it looks like. I've actually seen these on YouTube. It's a highlighter palette. And I think it's cream highlight. Oh, okay, this says shade sculpt. So that's like contour. And yeah, contour, bronzer, and then there's some highlighters. I can totally use this one as a contour. This one is a little too close to my skin tone. I'll probably use it as like a shadow or something, like a neutral shadow. Very pretty. It has mirrors on either side. I don't want to take the film off just yet. I might review it. It's cute. I like it. And then the last little goodie is this beach towel from Summer and Rose. Oh, nice. Y'all, this is so nice. I really like this box. I can't believe I slept on it for so long. Rip into it like it's Christmas. I'm doing pretty good with the one hand, if I do say so myself. Oh wow, you guys, this is really nice. I'm not gonna open it all the way because I believe there's a picture of it in here. Yeah, it's this one. Yeah, how cute. I love pineapples, but you know, beggars can't be choosy. This is also very pretty. Wow, this was a great box. This is a great box, you guys. And one more time, there's the code if you want to get $10 off your first box. Go for it. Thanks for watching. Deuces. Nalla, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.